she gone back on that one. So that's that. I don't know. Okay, let's just move to another chat because it's really good in here. You know. Okay, I love this look. Make sure you like it and you can even twin with me. I love that. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and be in to win a VIP ticket. You guys, I know you guys love VIP tickets. And I've been doing VIP cards giveaway when I wasn't recording, and many of you guys helped, which it was amazing. And like, thank you guys about that. And I finally got, but I'll just show you guys this. The reason I'm doing this before I make me tab because my screen gets frozen when I don't do this. So yeah, I have to do this all the time when I have to make me tab. So when I go onto YouTube, I think I have like okay. And OMG, I have got 10 subscribers. I know some people think that's not much, and I think that's really nice of you guys. Really, like, I'm really happy about it. And yeah, thank you guys for helping me get 10 subscribers. Like, that was really cool. And yeah, I don't really like my voice, so I'll be changing them so I sound like kind of like this. Wait, okay. I'll be sounding like this. Come on, hello. Yeah, I will sound like that. I'm sorry if you guys can't understand what I'm saying. Like, and thank you, and I'm so sorry if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, because sometimes I talk really fast, and then when I like double the speed up, like people can't even understand what I'm saying, so I'm so sorry about that. I'm just gonna say, hui people. I'm just gonna say, hui people. Okay. Come on, I wanna do some, oh, wait, I'm gonna be like doing some animations. Oh, this girl's pretty pretty. This girl's really pretty. Oh, I always wanted this habit. Oh, she just made a face like, walked away from me, yeah. That's like, so, like, Okay, I will be showing you guys a glitch, but, I don't really know how to show this, cause, yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys a glitch, but I don't think it's patched, but, okay, but let me just friend this girl for a second. Let me friend her, let me friend her. Okay. Yes, I love to be friends. Okay, okay, there we go. I'm just gonna tell you guys a glitch that, like, really works really well. Not that well, but it's really good. Okay, the first one is in the makeup section. So if you're like a non-VIP and like you really want a VIP nose or a VIP eye or a VIP lips or something like that, like you guys can have it. It's a glitch, but like you can't change the lips color and stuff. Unfortunately, it has to stay like that. So as you can see, I have that kind of thing. I'm just gonna change my eyes, and this doesn't. You don't even need star coins. As you can see, I can't even buy any of them with 52 star coins. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, so let's just look for an eye. Oh no, I didn't mean to. But now let's just exit out and go back into it. Okay, before you click what you want, so you go in and you just, like, choose okay, I'm just going to go to the nose section. I really want the piercing, like, that's really cute, so I really want the piercing. So you go into the nose section, and before you click the item you want, before you click that, oh, come on. Okay, you're at the nose section and you really want this, and you're not VIP or you don't have enough star coins. That's really sad, so you click buy and then the nose. Like that, and then it glitches, and then it gives you the nose. See? I got the nose! Oh, wait, what? Let me see on this one. It actually does work, but guys, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I got it. Okay, I'll show you. If you guys look really closely, I actually got it, and I have no freckles right now. Freckles, yes, freckles. It worked, oh my gosh. So, as you guys can see, I have like no freckles. Freckles, yeah, freckles. Come on, oh, you won't be able to see it. I'll just go back into the beauty clinic. Okay. Go back into the beauty clinic. Come on. Okay, if I go back into the beauty clinic, oh my gosh, I can't believe this actually works. And then, okay, I'm just gonna wait for it to load up my face. I'm not gonna pause it, because some people will think that I'm actually, like, bought it, but I didn't, because as you can see, I have 52 star coins. I mean, seriously, look. Guys, oh my gosh, but, like, if you guys, oh my gosh, I actually got the nose, I actually got the kissing nose. I really wish you guys can see this, but beauty clinic won't just load up. Okay, let's just try again. Please work. Okay, it popped up. Nothing's showing up. Okay, I'm cute. I'm just gonna give her an autograph. I wish you guys can see this. I actually have like piercing. My freckles are gone. Oh my god, that's so cool. I really want to do a close up, but I really don't know how. So, see, wait, there's like this piercing thing. It's like right there. And thank you guys for watching my glitch makeup video.